Hey friends, today I am back with another video where I do a makeup tutorial that was not made for me at all. It's gonna be a challenge, okay? Ever since I started doing this series, you guys have been begging me to do a pony tutorial. So that's what we're doing today. Finally, the queen of K-beauty herself. Let's see if we can pull this off. So Pony recently put up this video of her summer vacation makeup and it's so pretty. That's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm so excited to do this. If I can pull this off, oh my god. All right, we're gonna full screen this to get the full experience, guys, and play. So pretty! I've never wanted to buy a straw hat in my life and now I do.
안녕하세요 여러분, 포니입니다.
Hi.
요즘에 날씨가 굉장히 급속도로 더워졌잖아요. 그래서 다들 피서지 어디로 가실까 막 생각 많이 하실 텐데 그럼 메이크업 시작해 볼게요. 첫 단계로 파운데이션 사용해 볼게요.
Okay, first step is foundation. We're skipping primer apparently. So, she's using a Shiseido foundation, which I do not have, so I'm just gonna use my favorite foundation.
이렇게 짜면 되게 물 같죠? 그리고 이걸 이렇게 펴바르면 엄청나게 실키한
You can feel the silkiness from the sound alone.
소복한 소리가 나지 않나요?
Oh damn, she right. So you're gonna place it in the palm of your hand like so, then take your finger and apply it like so under the eyes. I've never applied foundation this way, but I'm always up for something new. So, and then we're gonna take a sponge and blend that all in. All right, let's go. I can do that. I know how to blend.
텍스처에서도 느껴지지만 엄청 물 같은데 엄청 실키해요. 그래서 뭔가 크림같이 꾸덕한 제형을 펴바르기도 되게 오래 걸리고 딱 파운데이션 바른 그 느낌이 있어. 얘는 거의 그런 느낌이 없어요. 진짜 이거는 매장 가서 한번 테스트를 받아보세요. 부드럽고 실키한데 피부에 엄청 촥 밀착되는 그런 느낌이 들거든요. 그리고 지금 저 펴바르는 거 보면은 진짜 솔직히 별 기술 없이 막 엄청 막 두드리고 펴바르고 있잖아요. 대충대충 완성도가 되게 높은 것처럼 마무리가 되거든요. 따단!
Contour stick.
이렇게 자주 보던 로고 같은데 통이 다르지 않나요?
Okay, so I don't have any contour sticks, but I do have cream contour, which is essentially the same thing. But we're gonna apply it with a brush, so.
3호 쉐이딩 컬러가
Okay, so it's right by her cheekbone, like right on top of it. Let's rewind that back a little bit, just so I get it right.
이 광대뼈가 있는 부분 위주로 3호 쉐이딩 컬러가 엄청 자연스러워요. 진짜 딱 제가 좋아하는 그런 쉐이딩 컬러라서 예쁘게 표현이 되거든요. 굉장히 자연스러운 음영 컬러를 지금 정면에서 봤을 때 조금 넘어오게 와이드하게 발랐거든요.
Okay, so now it looks like we're highlighting. So I'm gonna take my concealer and put a little bit on the nose there. What's next, pony girl? Alright, all up on the nose, all on the sides here, forehead, oh, and the chin a little bit, looks like, okay.
컨실러도 약간 딱딱한 타입의 컨실러를
Alright,
사용해볼
now we're
거예요.
using some sort of concealer wheel
스카서 브러쉬 620번
and a brush.
오랜만에 쓴다.
And we're just gonna slowly pat right under there. So we get a flat ass brush like so, and I'm just gonna take the same concealer and tappa tappa, tappa tappa. That's what you're doing, right? Tap tap, tappa tappa. What am I even concealing right now? Oh no.
확실히 가려졌죠?
Covered. Cover what, girl? You flawless.
고비까지.
We're applying some under the nose. Okay.
콧방울 위쪽 주변으로까지는 바르지 않을게요.
All right. Now finally, we're doing the eyebrows. 'Cause eyebrows not looking good right now. All right, time to brush out these brows, girl. Yes. And she's just filling them in a little bit. Obviously my brows won't be as straight as hers because mine have an arch to them. All right, and then we got our two fat ass caterpillars. What's next, girl?
명택.
Okay. This is just in case your eyebrows fall off during the day. Okay, it looks like we're using some sort of pomade, kind of paint pot thing, and a big old flat fluffy brush. Alright, so we're just gonna scoop some of this with the brush, like so. Now what, pony girl? Oh, we're applying it to the eyelid. Okay. Nice. And we're applying it around the nose as well, it seems. Honestly, I don't know what this step is. I don't know what's going on right now. A little lost. Little lost. Seems like a weird step. So she's using the Tartelette Toasted palette, which I surprisingly don't own. But I own so many warm palettes that there's really no point in buying it. So we're gonna use one of the many warm palettes that I have in here. I could pick like 5.
베이스 컬러부터 진한 오렌지빛이 느껴지는 컬러를 사용을 할게요.
Alright, so she's using an orangey, orange is a strong word, more like peachy beige color. And I found some similar colors in my Too Faced palette. So we could use Fresh Picked, Peach Cobbler. So I'm gonna take Peach Cobbler on a fluffy brush. Clearly I like this color. Alright, all over the lid. Cool. Nice. I'm gonna switch brushes because that one was a little too fluffy. Then of course we're sweeping it under the eye as well. Girl, I gotta watch pony tutorials more often. Oh, my groceries are here. Hold on. Okay, and we're back. Girls gotta eat, you know. Next, we're going to use a warm copper color. Luckily, I just bought this palette. This is the Pocket Eyeshadow Palette from W Lab, and it's got all these really pretty shimmers in it. So I'm going to use this one right here. And we're just going to sweep that coppery color. Ooh. Ooh! I like this. I like it a lot. Oh, honey, we are glowing now. Yes. Oh, God. We're doing eyeliner. It's not my specialty. Here we go, guys. Oh, God.
이 아이라인을 언더라인까지 포함해서 아이라인도 살짝 번지게 해주고 언더라인까지 음영을 한번 넣어보겠습니다.
We're going to use a chocolate color. This one right here in my Halaka Halaka palette. Okay, now we're gonna squeeze our lashes real quick. And Pony does this crazy thing where she squeezes her lashes on the bottom. How? What the hell? Yeah, no, we ain't doing that, girl.
인조 속눈썹은 귀여우면서도 캐주얼해 보이는 그런 디자인을 선택했어요.
Okay, so I found some like dusty old lashes in here. Are these gonna work? Hopefully these gonna work. These dusty as hell. Is she drying her lashes with a turkey baster? I am shooketh. I have not put on false lashes since the last following a Korean makeup tutorial video, so it's not gonna be pretty. These lashes are and forever will be a mess.
툴주의 디파인 브러쉬 사용해 볼게요.
Now we're using highlighter with a flat brush, but I ain't got one of those, so we're using a good old fan brush. Apply it on the center of your nose. A smaller brush on the inner corners and stuff. And finally, it looks like we're going over everything with a powder. And now time for lips, yay! Let's see if I can find a lip color that's similar to this. I could try this one. This is from Galactic and it is in the color Zilla.
자, 이렇게 립까지 발라주면 오늘의 바캉스 메이크업 완성입니다.
Okay, you know what? These lashes need to go. They just need to go, girl. We just put on some more mascara and call it a day, okay? So I just added Shoddy from 3CE and I'm putting it on top just to give it more of like that corally color that she has, because this is like a pink corally color. Damn, girl, my lips be looking big. Okay. Wig time. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Did I pull it off? Did I manage? Like, I don't look exactly like Pony Girl, but is the makeup okay? That's what I'm asking. You feel me? I feel like I look like Black Barbie right now, okay? Yes, with the blondes. It's the only light colored wig that I had, so that's what we got today, okay? I ain't got no pink wig, girl. Anyways, guys, let me know what else you guys want to see from this series. Give me some ideas. Send me some links to some great Korean makeup tutorials in the comments below, and I will do that for the next video. I love you guys so much.